Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to tune up your DeWalt pressure washer or actually any type of pressure washer with Honda engine and Simpson pump. So today we're gonna change the engine oil, the oil pump, the air filter, and we're gonna change the spark plug too. So let's go. For this process you need an air filter, the pump oil, the engine oil, spark plugs, and also I'm gonna use a pump protector to clean and lubricate all the interior parts. So I will start to change the oil pump. Here we have two bolts, the fill bolts, and under the pump is the drain bolts. Or if your pump is old, in that case your bolts is gonna be on the side. So we have to remove that two bolts. For that model of the pump I have to use the hex wrench number 8, or if your pump is the old model with the drain on the side, you have to use that type of the wrench. Don't forget to have a container under the pump. Here you can see how bad and viscous the old oil is. I think should have been changed a long time ago, that oil. If you have around the house an air compressor, you can use it to clean the pump, but it's not absolutely necessary, so you can skip that process. We have to put back the drain bolt. Now, using that funnel, we can start to fill the pump oil up to that middle line or little bit above the middle line. And that's it. Let's put back the fill bolt and the pump, it's done. Now for engine oil change, couple things to know before we start to change the oil. Here we have two fill plugs on each side. Here is the first one, and on the other side is the second fill plug, and here is the drain plug. So yes, we have to remove the fill plugs, both of them, and the drain plug. Here I'm using a piece of wood to make sure all the welds come out. Now let's put back the drain plug. we can start to fill the new oil using that funnel. On the side where is the check oil plug, till the oil is coming out on that hole on the other side. I'm using Honda oil 1030, but you can use any type of car oil. Make sure it's 1030. Okay, let's start to fill.
Stop.
Okay, now let's put the oil check plug back, and that's it with the oil change. Now we can start to clean and lubricate the interior parts of the pump using that lubricant. We have to mount it here where the water is enter, not here where the water is coming out to the gun. So I repeat, we have to mount it here where the water enter. Okay, we have here a cover, and we have just to press that button. Good. To change the spark plugs, you have to use a 13 by 16 wrench, and the spark plug is located right here between the exhaust and the air filter, and that's the new spark plugs. That's the old one. Let's check if it's the same with the new one. Yep, so it's the same. Not too much. That's it. Okay. And the spark plug, it's done. The air filter, it's very easy to change it. We have to remove that cover. That's the old one. And we have to put the new one. Now let's put back the cover. And that's it. The tire, it's flat, so I have to put some air in. I think 40 it's enough. Let's check the other wheel. Now I want to wash it a little bit to remove the oil. It looks like new, and it's time to check if it's work like a new one. That video, don't forget to press the like button and